Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your mobile number in the Bank Dhofar Mobile Banking app. Let's get started. Bank Dhofar Mobile Bank helps you check your balance, transfer money, and manage your bank account using phone. Or to use the app properly, your mobile number must be activated in the app. Take your iPhone and open the Bank Dhofar. Once you are in, tap on New User. Now enter your account number or debit card details as asked on the screen. After that, enter your registered mobile number. Make sure this is the same mobile number linked to your bank account. After entering your mobile number, tap Continue. You will receive an OTP on your mobile number. Enter the OTP in the app to verify your number. This step activates your mobile number for mobile banking. Now create a user ID and password. Choose a strong password that you can remember easily. Confirm the details and complete the setup. And that's it. This is how you can activate your mobile number in Bank Dhofar mobile app using just your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.